Now, Minimalist came up with a lot of new launches, and the most famous one has to be their Bond Repair range. Apart from that, they also came up with this new underarm roll-on, the Salicylic Acid plus LHA body wash, and lastly, their improved version of the Invisible Sunscreen. So this Minimalist new launches video is gonna be in 3 parts. This particular video would be my review of the Maleic Bond Repair range from Minimalist. Now, the Maleic Bond Repair range has these 3 products. First of all, the most famous one, which is the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% Hair Serum, which is pre-shampoo treatment. Second one is the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 3.5% Hair Shampoo. And lastly, the Maleic Bond Repair Complex 5% Hair Mask. Now, I took a lot of time reviewing this, I know, but I really wanted to try it properly and give you guys my final thoughts on these. Now, this particular maleic acid range has the patent pending technology, which is maleic acid plus tranglutamase and amino acid. These ingredients are predominant in 3 of the products. Let's talk about the first product, which is the Maleic Acid Bond Repair Complex. Now, the proper way of using this is not actually using this as a hair serum, but as a pre-shampoo treatment. Applying this on a combed out dry hair, avoiding the roots obviously, only focusing on the length. Let it sit for 1 hour, wash it off, and then follow your normal hair care routine such as shampoo, conditioner, or a hair mask. If you talk about the ingredient list itself, it has super nice nourishing oils such as argan oil, squalene, and coconut oil. Now, this is the only product in Minimalist that has fragrance. The ingredients itself has a really bad odor, and in turn to just suppress it a little bit just to make your overall experience not that bad, they put a little bit of masking fragrance to combat that. It has a lot of amino acids, obviously maleic acid and tranglutamase. Now, maleic acid as a molecule helps in repairing disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, or mechanical damage to hair. Tranglutamase, on the other hand, is an enzyme that acts as a glue to the formation and regains the strength of your hair. Amino acids are used to protect hair and hair fiber against heat-induced stress. It makes the hair look healthy and strong. And lastly, argan oil is a super nice nourishing oil. It has oleic and linoleic acid, which is really great for overall nourishment for your hair. If you talk about my final thoughts about this particular product, this is, by the way, my second bottle. Product itself shows result after a single use. That is something that you can get away from this video. This is a super nice product. If you have dry and damaged hair, it literally repairs after a single wash. Your hair health would instantly get replenished after just a single use. If you talk about the pricing, it costs something about 499 rupees for 50 ml. Completely bonkers if you compare this with Olaplex. Amazing. I think both are just identical. Bond Repair is something you need to use on a regular basis if you style your hair or color your hair, or if your hair is damaged, and over a consistent usage, then only your hair becomes better. It took me about like a month and a half to finish it, and overall, if you talk about my ending thoughts, I would never stop purchasing it because that is how good this particular product is. Coming on to the shampoo itself, this has super mild surfactants, has the same tranglutamase, amino acid. It also has ceramide AP, vitamin B5. Now, sulfate-free shampoo sometimes doesn't lather much, sometimes doesn't gives this nice rich lather and lustrous lather that most shampoo that has sulfate gives you. But this one has sodium lauryl sulfoxide, which does gives you the rich foam that many sulfate shampoos give you, and it doesn't compromises on the lather. Overall consistency is really creamy and it lathers up nicely. Even for the first wash, even if your hair is oily, this one does lathers up pretty well and cleanses your hair without stripping it. Coming on to the hair mask, this one is super nice, hydrating, moisturizing, and it doesn't waste my hair down. This one has ceramide AP and this one has ceramide NP. Both helps in replenishment of the lipid layer in the hair cuticles, and this one being a hair mask, surprisingly really lightweight, almost like a conditioner consistency. Sometimes hair masks tend to be a lot thicker than conditioner, but I treat it like a conditioner, and this one is by far my favorite hair mask I have ever used. If you talk about the pricing of both the shampoo and conditioner costs something about 699 for 200 gram, and the shampoo costs something about 599 for 250 ml. Both completely justifies the price, and I would list all all the cheapest links to buy all of the products in the bottom box below. If you stick around till the end, I do have my ending thought. After using the Hair Active's growth serum, the reformulated one, I believe it's reformulated because when I previously tried it, it didn't give me any kind of result, but now when I used 2 bottles of this, the result was just astonishing. Just hear me out for a minute. This particular hair serum, which has 5% of capsule, 3% of randacyl and 3% of procapil, this one is the best cap serum I have used so far. This one is slightly a little bit oily, not too much. Proper way of using this, or how I use it, is whenever I'm taking a hair wash, I tend to apply 1 to 2 pumps of this all over my scalp, and then I just gently massage it, give my hair about like 5 to 10 minutes to air dry, and then I blow dry my hair. That is how I personally use this product. You can use it otherwise, but for me this has worked wonderfully and I would highly recommend this to any of you guys. So yeah, this was my review on the Maleic Bond Repair Complex or Maleic Bond Repair hair care range from Minimalist, and also their hair growth active serum. Let me know yours in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. And the next video would be on the underarm roll-on, newly launched underarm roll-on from Minimalist. So bye bye and take care.